bitch.
Bok.
Alright, so this is a rapid review from Maxwell Stairs Beer Reviews. We got Samuel Adams Rebel IPA. Rebel IPA brewed 5 varieties, West Coast hops. Cascade, Simcoe, Centennial, Chinook. It's everything we love about West Coast style IPAs. But is it? 6.5% ABV, brewed for the Revolution. What do we think of it? Well, it looks basic.
The Revolution may not be televised, but it'll also be boring.
Yeah, it's not gonna get very good ratings. It doesn't from us. So, looking at this, it looks very plain. We almost kind of thought it looked a little lagery when we first poured it out. It's maybe just slightly brassier, maybe like a quality lager, as you said.
A little bit more lacing, but that's about it. The head was not super great.
The smell, you almost want to say it smells like it's got tropical, grapefruit, pink grapefruit, the pine in it, but it really comes off as being one conglomerate of like generic hop smell.
It's not a hot mess, it's a hot mess.
It's a hot mess, yeah. With almost no malt to back it up. Taste-wise, leaves us longing for more, just like anything else.
It's a little bland, a little boring, a little dirty.
Yeah. We kind of compared, like when we thought West Coast hop IPA, we kind of thought of stuff like Sierra Nevada's Torpedo. Like we'd expected Samuel Adams to not really put out something quite that good, but they didn't even come close.
No, big letdown.
Yeah. So we gave it a what?
3.
3 out of 5.
It's drinkable, but
it's drinkable. It's serviceable. It isn't the first IPA from Sam Adams even that I would go for, because Latitude 48 is better.
There are many Sam Adams products I would drink before this thing.
Yep. So there you have it. 3 out of 5 from both of us. Thanks for watching.
Probably a 3-minute review.
Yeah.
Take 2.
Yep, take 2, because we forgot to turn the fucking camera on.
Where to go, Max? Is it on this time?
Yes.
Fuck you.